Welcome to this tutorial on how to cancel your HBO subscription. First, you need to find out who is billing you. If you're using a web browser, go to max.com/subscription and sign in. If you're using a phone, tablet, or the Max app on your computer, open the app, choose your profile, and select Subscription. On a TV device, go to the settings icon and select Subscription. Your billing information will be shown at the top of the screen. You can also check your bank statements or contact your internet, mobile, or TV provider to see if they are billing you for Max. If Warner Media is billing you directly, go to max.com/subscription and sign in if you haven't already. Look for the option that says Cancel your subscription. Click it and follow the steps. You will see the expiration date of your subscription. You can keep watching until the end of your current billing cycle. If you do not see a cancel option, make note of who is billing you. You will then need to visit that provider's support page and follow their instructions to cancel. If you need more details about cancelling a subscription billed by Warner Media, go to the Max Help Center. For cancellations through other providers, check their support pages for the correct steps. That's how you cancel your HBO subscription.